Hello, in this video, we will see how to write a newsletter with AI. To start, open your web browser. Here you need to search for Tugan.AI. Once you're in, scroll down and click on Try Now for free. Tugan.AI offers different ways to create your newsletter. Click on From Keywords to Newsletter, or you can also try the other way. Now you need to describe your topic in a few words. To show you, I'm searching for pollution. Now click on Generate New Ideas. As you can see, it says Ideas generated successfully. Scroll down and it will show you different content ideas. You can select any of these ideas to continue. Once you're done, click on Generate Content. As you can see, it will start generating your newsletter on your right side. Once it is done, the newsletter is ready. You can copy it and use it wherever you want. Also, you can generate multiple newsletters on different topics by following the same process. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.